Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with US Bank for payroll tax payments, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with US Bank for payroll tax payments, start by visiting the US Bank website. Look for the login section on the home page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password carefully. Click on the login button to access your account. If you do not have an account yet, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your business information. Complete any identity verification steps required. Once logged in, navigate to the payroll tax payments section. Review the list of payment options available. Select the specific payroll tax you need to pay. Enter the payment amount accurately. Choose your funding source from your linked accounts. Double-check all information to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed to the payment confirmation page. Review the summary of your payment details. Click the Submit button to finalize your transaction. You will receive a confirmation notification once the payment is processed. Keep a record of the transaction for your financial records. This ensures that your payroll tax payment is properly authenticated with US Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.